Whether he's running a multi-billion-dollar enterprise or just making a fashion statement, Businessman of the Year 2023-2024, Charles Wong, always does it in style. Mr. Wong leads the Charles & Keith Group, a fashion conglomerate that operates nearly 700 stores across more than 30 countries. As co-founder and CEO, he believes in empowering consumers to express themselves through fashion.
From a young age, my brother Keith and I spent countless hours helping our mum at her store in Ang Mo Kio. After school, we found our passion in products, customer interaction, and practical learning of running a business. While traveling Europe for design inspiration, a dream ignited to see our brand established globally. This fueled our drive to build a fashion label with international reach. Today, it brings immense joy to see communities worldwide wearing our products and expressing their support on social media.
Charles is one of those leaders that ignite you with his passion and vision. He relentlessly thinks about how to improve our brands and our business. He pushes us to break the status quo, to try harder, to think harder, and to adopt an entrepreneur mindset.
He has a great passion over making a brand truly global. He understands, we need to be very consumer-centric. And then so he spends a lot of time on strategizing, how to stay relevant to the local consumers and also the international consumers so that we can expand their presence around the globe.
Mr. Wong's progressive strategies include digitizing operations and embracing technology, vital in the ever-evolving fashion industry. Notably, Charles & Keith was the first Singaporean retailer to launch an e-commerce site, expanding far beyond traditional physical retail. His innovative approaches attracted significant investments, including Louis Vuitton's L Capital Asia, which acquired a 20% stake in 2011. This investment further accelerated growth and led to collaborations with international icons. The company has since bought back its stake.
Our company growth has been marked by several milestones. In the early years, we lay a strong foundation in Southeast Asia and the Middle East. The next decade, we launched a new brand, Pedro, and established our presence in China, building a network of 280 stores and an online presence. This achievement motivated our expansion into North Asia, reaching new customers in Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau. With ambitions set on the global stage, we recruited top European design talent and invest in the new R&D facilities in China.
Charles is very hands-on, and he stays connected to various aspects of the business. He focuses on aligning all the various moving parts of the business. He sets clear and common goals that aligns with his direction. One thing about Charles is that he doesn't dwell on mistakes. He wants us to learn from them and then move on.
He's very open to new ideas and then not fearful of making mistakes. That's really how he brought up a company to this level and really is going to be the driver to push us to the next level.
Creativity, passion, and the drive for excellence thrive when we care and collaborate. This collaborative spirit fuels our entrepreneurial drive, creating a purpose-driven and inspiring creative atmosphere.
I've been in the business for 11 years, and I'm surrounded by colleagues who have been here for 15, 20, 25 years. There's a strong sense of belonging amongst us, and it's a reflection of the set of values of which the company has been built by Charles and the rest of the founders.
Even though he's already a great successful person, he's very humble, he's very candid, and I really like having a conversation with him because he listens to me and his open-mindedness. That kind of makes me think, I want to work for this guy.
Retail future is integrated, value-driven, customer-centric, and powered by tech. Store must be experiential destination with a higher purpose to attract discerning customers. We need to elevate brand experience, engaging communities through meaningful connections.
Mr. Wong is a trendsetter, and his advocacy for sustainable practices while forging impactful collaborations has consistently set Charles & Keith apart from the rest and will likely continue to do so as a real leader in the fashion industry.